You can see we did have a blowout here around the switch. I ended up spending more time fixing the drywall that was mudded than it would have taken had I just done it myself. Welcome back, and today we're going to be finishing up the painting. Actually, yeah, we're going to be finishing up the painting. The last video I showed you I was starting on the painting. We got quite a bit of it done. Today we're going to be finishing it up, along with a few other things, wrapping up some of the electrical outlets, putting on covers, plates. I'm not sure if I'll do 1 or 2 videos out of this, but anyway, it is what it is. But we're going to finish up the painting today and do some touch-up. Got to fix a few issues where the drywall had blowouts. Apparently wasn't fixed properly. You know, you miss things. But anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing today, and it's a rainy day, so stuck inside, but that's okay. We've got lots to do inside. And voila, we have some paint on the walls in the bathroom. This is the hall bath. This particular color is one that I've been using for many years on all of my rental properties, my rehabs. It covers real good, and you know, keep the same paint. Then, you know, if you need to touch something up, you can just, you know what you need. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to try and match something. You just say, hey, this is the color that I use. When I go get my paint made, I have them print me out the formula. So when I go back, whether it's a year or 2 years or 5 years down the road, and I need to get a paint that matches, I just go ahead and give them that formula and say, hey, this is the paint I need. And then they can make it right from the formula. Everything is exactly the same, so I don't have to worry about whether it's going to match or not, because it will match. And here we are in the living room. As you can see, we've got paint on the walls. Got air conditioning ducts put in. Ceilings are all painted and cut in. We do have a little bit up here. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Just a few little spots. Didn't get a second coat up on those few spots, but we'll have to come back and second coat those to make that look good. We've got the pantry is got some lighting installed. Went ahead and did some of the electrical so that we could have some lights and some outlets. But you see we got everything cut in here. The ceiling's already painted. We just got to do the walls. The kitchen and dining room is coming together really nice. Hopefully, this camera's not working out really well, but anyway, hopefully in a few weeks we'll be able to start moving along with some cabinets, some trim, carpet, tile. Then we can get on the outside and finish up the outside and get the outside looking good. And as promised, we were busy today. We got some paint on the walls. A nice shadow back here. How about that? My shadow follows me wherever I go. But we got some paint on the walls. We got a few spots here we missed. To see here, there we go. A few spots we missed. We didn't get sanded out good. Same thing over here, down on the bottom of the wall here. You see that's not painted here. This is just needs to be sanded back out. It was one of those things we just missed. It's been a long weekend. Having to go back. I had a guy come help me mud this stuff out. So he's supposed to have been a drywall guy, and as it turned out, that I ended up spending more time fixing the drywall that was mudded than it would have taken had I just done it myself. So I guess lesson learned. I thought maybe I would get kind of head up on something, get ahead, but well, sometimes you get what you pay for. Sometimes you don't. But we're moving right along. We got the drywall all hung, all finished. All the ceilings are painted, so everything had come out looking really good on the ceilings. And let me go over and turn all these lights out because we're getting ready to knock off for the day. In this room here, you can see we've got cut in on the walls around the outlets and what have you. We've got, let's see here, wall outlets in, switches are in. Hallway still needs a little bit of touch up. You can see, I don't know if you can see it through here, this is a little bit light right here, and up here's a little light, but it's coming along. And we get in this bedroom here. We'll go ahead and do the 360. You can see it's everything's painted, cut in. Just got to do some trim, and we got to hang up our smoke detectors. But it's coming along really well, and I'm hoping that within the next week or so we'll be ready for cabinets and trim. But we're moving right along. In the bathroom, same thing. This bathroom is essentially complete with the exception of the tile on the tub. We still got to do the tile around the tub. That's okay. It's going to be just, you know, another thing to do. You see, we did have a blowout here around the switch. The drywall here was broken. Thank you, drywall hangers. But anyway, so we had to patch that. That's going to take it a few days. I ended up patching it yesterday. I was hoping it'd be dry today, but it's not. So we'll have to come back next weekend or later in the week and sand that out a little bit, maybe skim it again before we can get that completed. But it's coming right along. You can see we've been working on the painting and got a few lights put in too. We'll have that video out in the next couple weeks. But right now, just to let you know where we're at, we've got almost all the painting done. Like I said before, nobody likes to watch paint dry, so I'm not going to bore you with hours of drying paint. But let me just show you around and see, so you can see what the color schemes and stuff are. And you can kind of just see where we're at. All right, Kitchen, got all the paint on the walls. Pantry, this is a Navajo White. I think I mentioned that previously. But anyway, so hallway. Yeah, we got some lights. How about that? Bedroom, we got some lights. Let me see if we can get a little bit better picture here. There's a little bit better picture. Well, not really. But anyway, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, you can see we still got a little touch up to do up there. A little bit of touch up in this corner. But get around here, master bedroom. Yeah, you can watch me paint the ceilings. Right. Master closet, master bath. Everything is looking pretty good. Hall bath. There we go, hall bath, yes. Yeah, can't see much. We got this blowout fixed over here. That was a pain in the butt, but we got it fixed. And our third bedroom, still got temporary lighting. We don't have the ceiling fans in here yet, but we're working on it. As you can see, we got all kinds of stuff in here, and it's just playing musical rooms, moving it back and forth so that we have room to work. This house isn't very big. It's only 1,000 square feet, but having everything here that we need just puts more and more stuff in the way, and we just have to keep moving stuff around. We're slowly getting the stuff out that we don't need, so hopefully before long it'll be all out of here and we'll be able to move right along with getting everything cleaned up. But it's turning out really, really nice, nicer than I had actually anticipated. I really wish the lighting was better in here. I may have to see if I can get some better lighting to give you a good overview. So anyway, it's late, I'm tired. I'm gonna go home, get a shower, get some supper, and get ready to start doing it all over again tomorrow. But the progress is coming along well. I'm not dissatisfied with the progress. As you can see behind me, it's looking really well. It's turning out really nice. Somebody's gonna move in here. They're gonna really like this. If you like this video, go ahead and click subscribe, click the like button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos are uploaded. And you know, I really do need you to subscribe, because what's the point in doing these if you don't come back and watch them? So anyway, thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button, click the like button, hit the notification bell, make it ding, or whatever it does. And we'll see you next time.